This is Omita Devi Sharumbam. I'm from Manipur. Right now, I'm staying in Jalpaiguri, which is in West Bengal. So I've done masters in clinical psychology from Ferguson College, which is under the Pune University. And but from that, I work in many hospitals as a clinical psychologist, and also I work in many other school sectors as a school counselor, and also work with many other NGO organizations as a project coordinator, clinical psychologist, counseling the women, victimized women. So I work in different area and different sectors as a psychologist. I choose Optimum Wellness Academy to do my nutritionist course. As I always wanted to become a nutritionist, I chose this Optimum Wellness Academy. And also, I realized the importance of the nutrition and its role and its impact on health. Also, when I work at the hospital with the clients, it's not only like if I give them advice or counseling suggestion in some therapy techniques to the clients. It's not only enough. The importance of nutrition it plays a very important role to keep a good and mental and the physical health. So hence the reason I chose this nutrition course from Optimum Wellness Academy. My experience at Optimum Wellness Academy was really great because all the faculty members were highly excellent. They provided and they guided us with a practical knowledge, and whatever they teach taught us with a relevant and research-based practices. And they also taught us even the very complex and difficult terms. Also, they explained in a very different way, which they make us understand easily. Way of teaching style they make us very easy and which make us understand easily. So I did not think okay this is very difficult topic for me. So I learned easily. And Optimum Wellness Academy, the teachers, the faculty members were really supportive. They are friendly, and whenever we have any queries, during the live classes, also whenever we face any questions, any queries, any doubts, when we raise questions, they just clear our doubts very easily. So overall, the Optimum Wellness Academy, my experience was really great, amazing. And initially, I thought this will be a online class. This will not be beneficial for me. But once I started attending the classes, then oh my God, I thought okay, this is something really different, which I thought was really wrong. And so that Optimum Wellness Academy gave me that the feeling of oh my God, this is something good and which is going to really help me in my life to become a good nutritionist in my career. Even they taught us how to handle a client and how to make a proper diet plan. They taught us every detail, each and every topic in a very detailed way. So that's what I felt Optimum Wellness Academy was really great for me. I studied certification in food nutrition and dietetics, and I studied diploma in food nutrition and dietetics. And in the food nutrition certification course, I learned so much about the nutrition and its importance, its impact on health, and the different macronutrients and the micronutrients, and about the calories, which is one of the topics which I really like. And also in diploma course, we study mainly about the medical and clinical nutrition, which talk about the diabetes, hypothyroidism, and the hypothyroidism, and the PCOS in the gut health, which is very important in the current scenario about the importance of the gut health. They taught us in a very different way, and also about the various blood parameters for the diabetes, like glucometer, and they taught us in a very different way, which is very important in this current scenario to understand what are the diet plans to be followed by a hypothyroidism and the PCOS in the food, the importance and the role of the nutrition in this kind of a clinical medical conditions clients. To be honest, as a psychologist, as I said, is when I work with the hospitals with many clients, regarding so many depressed and anxiety people. Whenever I deal with them, they were having so many problems, not only with the mental problems, they were having so much health issues, which is very much related to the nutrition. So I personally feel that, okay, whenever I consult a client, then giving the good advice, giving a good counseling session, or giving a good Ayurvedic therapy, or giving a good relaxation therapy, or music therapy, it did not only work. At the same time, nutrition, and I realized that nutrition also plays a very important role in their good health. So nutrition has a very, good impact on the health as well. So I realized. So then I tried this Before I joined at Optimum Wellness Academy, and I was not convinced. And then finally, I chose Optimum Wellness Academy, which was really good for me because even there was in the certification they have written about the international certification. I When I went through the website, they have written everything. Then, oh my God, okay, this is something which is really going to help me in my life, and that also was an good advantage for me. For me, like if I can work in any part of the world because of the international certification course, so that gives me a good advantage for me. So hence the reason I choose Optimum Wellness Academy, and I learned so many things which is completely different from any other academy from the Optimum Wellness Academy. So hence I realized the importance of the nutrition and its impact for becoming a good health. So I chose this to become a nutritionist from the Optimum Wellness Academy. Actually, I cannot say only one topic. There was lots of topics that which were like my favorite supplementation, because nowadays supplementation is also very important, but which I did not know because due to the soil erosion, so the quality of soil is less. Hence, the nutritive value of the food is less. So the supplementation is also one of the important part, and the social media part, and social media which they taught us everything about how to make our bio and how to make our brochures and how to post which is related to our topic, which is related to my career, and then how to get our clients and how to become a successful entrepreneur, and then how to become a successful nutritionist, and also about of course the yes entrepreneurship, social media, and supplementation. Yes, about the metabolism, which is also very important part. Initially, I had no idea about the metabolism, which I just hardly understand about the metabolism. Once I enrolled this course, and each and every concepts were very clear to me, and it seems like very easy for me to become a to handle with client. And they also in this one of the topic which I really like is they share us with the client conversations, how to handle a client, how to pick a client's call, and how to start conversation with them confidently, and how to follow a client, and then how to make a diet plan, how to send them in a professional way, and how to keep in touch with the client once after we send their diet plans, how we have to follow them, in a professional way. So that is one of the important part and the important topic that which I learned. They provided with a very real life client case stories. Also, they shared with us, and they while they were taking the classes, they pause in between the conversation with the clients, and they explain each and everything that okay, you have to in this way, and you have to follow up in that way. So all the faculty members were quite excellent. They in between the class they pause and they explain, and then so they make us very understand easily. So then I was like thinking, oh my God, this is one of the again most interesting part which I really didn't understand. Then I really didn't expect this from Optimum Wellness Academy. The water support which is provided by the Optimum Wellness Academy is just amazing. It's just great because whenever we have any queries in our mind, we just send a message, and then within a fractions of seconds we will get our answers actually, even any time of the day. And when we message to our faculty members, I thought okay, this is the night, okay, this is very late night, and this is very early morning. If I send a message, I will not get a reply. I thought initially, but then once I just sent out my message, then within a fraction of seconds my just mobile ring, just my answer immediately came. Then this is so surprising. It feel me so safe that to be a student and to be part of this Optimum Wellness Academy. That moment that gives me that feeling of I'm so safe here studying at the Optimum Wellness Academy, and I'm so lucky I was to be a part of and to be a student of the Optimum Wellness Academy, because I did not face any like issues of having difficulties, though it is the online class also. So I did not face any issues that okay, well, I don't understand this topic particularly. So I did not face that kind of situation, because there is always a WhatsApp support group which they guided me in a skill way, and they supported me. They just give us feedback immediately whenever we send them a query. We just got our answers immediately. So that's just one of the awesome and excellent part of the Optimum Wellness Academy, I would say. Actually, initially I also thought, okay, I'm going to study only in diploma in nutrition. So then, why once I learned this diploma course, then okay, oh my God, this is so much. There is so much things to learn. Just whatever the knowledge we require to become a successful nutritionist in the real life. So everything was being taught during that my course when I was doing my diploma course. Everything was being learned and being taught. I was like, I heard that many of my friends also they were done in the MSc, the in food nutrition and all. But they were said they thought basically they were like thought about the research-based activities things. But for me, I don't wanted to go into the field of research because I just wanted to handle the real life clients and I wanted to help more people to get fit and to to become healthy. So this diploma course is very much enough. The topic that itself that we're being taught quite enough to handle a client and to help them to become more fit physically as well as mentally. So I think this course is much more enough. In this course also it's quite flexible. Even the timing is quite appropriate for me. For me, I can balance what my work and studies. So, and the one of the most beneficial part is the recorded classes. Even if there is some urgency work, if I miss one classes also, then I can hear the recordings even while I just put on the earpod and while I do other work also, I can just hear the recordings again and again. Then I understand everything. So this is one of the most beneficial and advantage of this diploma course at Optimum Wellness Academy, I should say, as compared to the MSc in nutrition and the dietetics course. We have learned so much about making a diet plan in the different methods of diet plans on pen and paper by using the many high technique softwares, Canva and AI software and Google spreadsheet. So very much I can apply in my practical knowledge, which is very important in real life scenario to work as a nutritionist. And also one of the important topic that which I like very much about the course while I was doing at Optimum Wellness Academy also about the supplementation because in also entrepreneurship and social media skill because I was hardly on social media before, but after I started learning the course then I started developing skills about the social media and I started showcasing my knowledge that whatever I gain and learn through this Optimum Wellness Academy, they taught us how to become a good entrepreneur and how to get my clients and how to also taught us how to post in our Instagram profile and our social media profile just to showcase our knowledge that and how to get our clients. So very much 100% that whatever we learn knowledge that from Optimum Wellness Academy we can apply in our practical life. It was really helpful and which make us easy to make a diet plans and like about by using a chronometer we can understand easily about how much amount of calories are there in a particular food. Suppose like if I wanted to give a diet plan of particular fruits about the apple, then I can check out about its like what are the calories contained in it and fibers, carbs and proteins, and I can calculate everything by using this chronometer app and I can calculate, which means in short, by using those softwares, making diet plan is very easy. It saves our times also, and it gives us the accurate information about the particular food that which we are giving to the client. Client competition with the client, that was really great because we also learned so much from the conversation itself, the what to speak and what to stop. And also listening to the client is also one of the important part that we are being taught in the client conversation. And also how to, after listening to the client, and we have to send them a Google form, which includes everything about the clients, what are to understand their dietary habits, and if they have any kind of a luxurious habit, and everything is there in the Google form. We have to send it to the client, then client is supposed to fill it up accordingly as per his or her choices. And then once we get back the Google form, we have to make a diet plan, which is like if the client has any allergic to the food, that everything is there mentioned in the Google form, that we have to exclude those things, and then we have to pick up the one which client has fill up in the form, and then so that makes us easy for us by sending a Google form also, that we can understand what are the dietary preference by the client. So that client conversation was really amazing, and also the follow-up client conversation was also being shared with us, and how to follow up with clients after being sent the diet plan, and how to explain to the client and every details whenever they have any queries. So I think that was really, they provided a practical experience. I think that's so amazing for us. And also very easy for us also to understand and to work in the real life scenario, like for us to work how to work with clients and how to follow up. Okay, this is the way that we should follow and we should be doing once after we finish our course. So that was one of the amazing part. The importance of clinical and medical nutrition is very important nowadays, as we see. So many people are facing a quite of a problems, like having someone is having a diabetes issues, and for especially for women, there are so many issues about the PCOS and the thyroid, and also like, and due to this current due to the habits, many people are facing a quite a lot of digestive issues about the gut health, which is very important in this. I think so. One of the, so clinical nutrition is plays a very important role in this current scenario to become fit and to become healthy. And also we studied a lot of things about the hyperthyroidism diet plan for the diabetes. Also, for if someone who is a diabetic client, what are the diet plan that we have to be taken care of it. And for the thyroidism also, for the hypothyroidism and the hypothyroidism also, there are certain food diet plans that to be followed up. And even for the PCOS and also for the gut health. So everything was being taught while I was doing diploma course. So I think there is a huge, impact of medical impact of nutrition on health. So I think it's very much important to learn about the medical and the clinical nutrition in this current scenario. Social media assignment, I would say that wow, that's amazing, because for me, I was hardly on social media. Once I started attending the lectures, they just share at the initial, they also share that we will be giving you social media assignment and all. Since from that day I used to be active on the social media, because it is very good for me, because which also helps me to develop my personality again, because I was not that much good in social media. I was kind of the shy, making reels and all. But then I started making reels, and I started posting things and sharing with my colleagues in the social media, and I started getting the comments and feedbacks and all that. That was really great for me, which like completely helped me in to develop my personality. So I think social media assignment was one of the great, and really which is amazing for me, because it helps me to develop my social media skills as well. And also like now I'm getting like some clients to the online platform, which is one of the important part. So it is helping me to grow, and which is like to grow myself and to see myself as a successful nutritionist in future, which just gives me, and energy also gives me a positive feeling. Wow, I have done something really great in my life. So that's what I would say about the social media assignment that was given by Optimum Wellness Academy. I was studying at Optimum Wellness Academy. I did not face any language barrier issues, because all the faculty members were very proficiency in both the languages. So I did not feel any language issues. Many students were there who did not understand English very well, but in that case, even all the faculty members explained in Hindi very well. So I did not feel any language barriers issues, and there is no student left behind due to the language barriers. So they explained in both Hindi and English very well. So language was not an issue. I think everyone, those who doesn't know English, also they can also easily enroll in this course. because there is no language issues as such, because I also did not find any language issues, and other my student, my colleagues also did not face while we were having the class. I would recommend to send everyone, because nowadays the importance of nutrition is very much. So I think knowing about the nutrition is very important aspect in this current scenario. So I think I would recommend send everyone to the about to choose Optimum Wellness Academy. Why Optimum Wellness Academy? Because in this Optimum Wellness Academy, even the housewife can do easily, because of the their Optimum Wellness Academy at the course. The fees structure were affordable, affordable easily. We can there are EMI options was there, and they can do EMI if whoever have any financial issues. So the price was quite affordable when compared to the other one. For myself also, I try many other academy before I choose Optimum Wellness Academy. The fees structure was quite affordable and quite suitable for me. So I would recommend everyone to choose Optimum Wellness Academy to do a nutritionist course, because it's very important nowadays to become a good health and to become healthy and stay fit.